Is my book worth writing if it's not going to sell millions of copies? You'll be surprised how often we get these questions coming through. In this video, I'm going to break down why it may still be worth writing that book, even if you have maybe very little hope of selling 1 million copies. So stay tuned. First and foremost, I would like to remind you of one of the steps that I shared in a previous video on how to structure your book. Remember that we were inviting you to look at what the book is about, who the book is for, how you're going to write the book. And then there was another question, which I told you is the most crucial question that you will ever answer. And that is your why. Why are you writing this book? What is the deeper meaning? What is the higher purpose? Okay, look, if this book is your fastest track to $1 million, it might not be worth writing. If this is simply a vanity project and you just want to see your name on a cover, cool, no worries, right? But for most of the people I work with, their book means something very, very deep and personal. Is it that they want to share a trial that they went through, a challenge that they overcame? Is it that they want to share what they've already been sharing in their programs with their clients? Is it that they are tired of seeing certain mistakes being made again and again and they want to be part of the change that they want to see? Whatever it is, I believe that there is a deep and meaningful message, a deep meaning to why you even want to write this book in the first place. And on that point, I'd like to just offer this as a reminder to you. Not everyone is called to write a book. We may feel that, oh, every man and his dog is writing a book these days. But if you look at it on the global scale, even within your own family, how many people want to write a book? I believe that that desire to write a book was placed in you. It's not by accident. It's not by mistake. It's not by coincidence. You were given that gift. So you have the calling. That calling on your heart has been given to you for a reason. You're in the minority who has that calling. So honor that, right? And really get acquainted with what is it speaking to? What is the dream? What is the vision? For some of us, yes, it is world domination. Okay, but I ask you this. If you could change one life, would it be worth it? If you could change one family's trajectory, would it be worth it? If you could save one couple, would it be worth it? If you could save one family, one business, one country's system, would it be worth it? I think we can agree that the answer would be yes. So I'm going to invite you to rise above the vanity metrics. Being a bestseller is a vanity metric. Trust me when I say there are plenty of books that have been #1 bestsellers that will not change anyone's lives because they're just not that great, okay? That's the honest truth of it. If the vanity metric is to sell 1 million copies, to make $1 million, I'm going to invite you to step away from that because that might not be written for you. But what might be written for you is a sincere effort, is a noble purpose, and is a book that is truly a part of your legacy. A book that your children will pick up and know you, know who you were, know what you stood for, know what you believed, and be inspired by that. If it's one person, if it's 10, if it's 100, if it's 1,000, if it's 10,000, if it's 100,000, if it's 1 million, that's not in our hands. All we can do is make the intention, do the work, and put the very best of what we have to offer out into the world for it to do the work that it is meant to do. And so if you ask me, is your book worth writing if it's not going to sell 1 million copies? I think you know what my answer is going to be. But my question to you is, what do you think? Comment below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.